Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
Last week, in part 1 of our 2-part embarkation series, we showed you what to expect when boarding Celebrity Apex. We gave some tips on how to make sure to have a smooth main dining experience and took in the views from the world-famous magic carpet. This week, we battle first-date crowds at the buffet, give you a tour of our accessible cabin, indulge in some premium cocktails at the Martini Bar, and enjoy some fresh seafood and sushi at Raw and 5. So come along as we explore Celebrity Apex.
So we are checking out the accessibility on Celebrity Apex. As you'll see later in the week, Nate and I have actually reserved a cabana, and they have 2 cabanas that are currently wheelchair accessible. The other cabanas have probably about a 5-inch step up. We're gonna go to guest services and request either cabana 1 or cabana 2. And it looks like there's a partition they can put actually between the 2 because we just reserved a smaller cabana space. So very excited about that. So then I can just kind of move around. I don't need
It's a little tricky.
I think this is what it looks like when you die. This is the tunnel you go through. What do you think?
This is gorgeous. That's my word of the week.
Word of the week. It's gorgeous. Here's Eden.
And I'm such a tactile person. I feel like I have to touch stuff. Oh, it feels like real moss.
Yeah, they are real moss.
Yeah.
We're in Eden. It's super quiet in here. I feel like it's like church. I know. It's like the library. Shh. Be quiet. I have to say though, this is super chill. This is really cool if you've kind of want to get away from the crazy. Oh. Wait, hold on a second.
Is it not open?
I don't think it's open. So here's a tip for all you cool kids. Day 1. It's not open. At some point we are going to show you lunch here at Eden. It's just not going to be today. So it leaves us with, I don't even know what that leaves us with.
The
Mass Grill. Oh, we could probably, you know what we could do? We could use the Celebrity app right now, and we could look at the Celebrity app and actually figure out where we want to go to lunch. So let's do that. We're going to do something we don't normally do on embarkation. Embarkation day is we're going to go to the buffet. All right. Washy washy. Washy washy.
Okay, washy washy. I keep tearing on you.
Washy washy. Oh gosh. It's a little crazy. All right. I don't even know what we're doing. Come on. Right, we're going to peruse the food. Colleen's suggestion. That's a little busy in here. The understatement of the year. Let's see what we got. Got some paella. Feeling like paella today?
I think I'm feeling like a sandwich.
A sandwich? All right, we're on the hunt for a sandwich. Oh, there's grilled favorites over here. Stir fry. Oh, here you go, babe. Sandwich.
Nice. Like a wrap or anything?
Wrap?
Yeah, wrap. Yes, and a sandwich, yeah.
I have lost Colleen. Great. Took my eyes off her for 5 seconds, and I've already managed to lose Colleen. We'll see if she's down here. Someone was helping her, but I have no idea where they took her. Stay tuned.
I was like, how do I text him? He's gonna have no idea where I am. Everyone's very nice though. They insisted to take my food and wheel me.
They just stole you away from me.
I'll fix the hair.
Fix the hair. The hair's looking great.
Thank you. So I would give the buffet very good. We just did basic tuna sandwiches, but it was fresh, flavorful. I got a pasta salad to go with it, and Nate got a little side of chips. So I think we're gonna go check out some scoops now for some cold ice cream treat.
Yeah, I'm very original, so as you saw, or maybe you didn't see, I did a tuna sandwich as well, but then I got a couple slices of pizza, which weren't bad. They were actually pretty crispy. So right at the back of the Ocean View Cafe, there's a little pizza place. So if you're feeling maybe just a slice or you want a snack, just walk all the way back. So don't let all the other stuff distract you. Just keep going back to the very back of the ship.
And how would you rank celebrity pizza to Royal Caribbean Sorrento's?
Well, the loyal to Royal crowd is going to hate me a lot, but this pizza is way better than Sorrento's any day of the week. So, sorry. Sorry, not sorry. All right, let's go get some ice cream.
That's it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Poison? Yes, sir.
Great, thank you. The ice cream is very good. Just one thing you have to look out for is there's also some gelato. That's a little bit extra. So if you really want gelato, I don't know if it was $4 a scoop or $4 for maybe a couple scoops, but anyways, but it went with the chocolate. I don't know if you can see it there in the zoom. Chocolate and the strawberry. Very ice creamy. Highly recommend. Hey, it is like crazy. Like we were there and all of a sudden the place was like mob. So definitely, usually, like I say, on the first day I like to avoid the buffet, but today we didn't really have a choice because it was buffet or outdoors with the hamburgers and hot dogs. So anyways, we're gonna enjoy this ice cream, and then I think we're gonna probably check out the rest of the ship. It must be almost time for our room tour, our room to be ready, and we're gonna give you a tour of the room. So stay tuned and we'll see you later, navigators.
Welcome to our cabin, 8106 on board Celebrity Apex. So far, I mean, accessibility wise, I give it 2 thumbs up. The bathroom's a little bit small, but easily I think I can maneuver around in my wheelchair, you know, free access around the commode as well as into the shower, roll in under the sink. So I can't complain. And the bed height, nice.
Well, I mentioned room tour is done. Time to get unpacking and time to get this ship out of this, I wanted to say marina, but that's not right. Port. Get this ship out of this port. Hello, operator.
Do we want to try to go to guest services?
Yeah, was it guest services where we can make those changes?
I think so.
So we are done unpacking. Colleen was just on the phone, you saw. So we are gonna be doing a special day. I don't wanna ruin it, but we're gonna try to see about just changing the time. So it was something we had to book in advance and then you don't get to pick the date and time. I'm trying to pick a different day that kind of corresponds more with the chic nights that they have on board, which is like celebrities kind of formal night, but it's not formal night. I don't know. I think everybody's very confused about the chic nights, to be quite honest with you. But we're gonna go try to get the time changed. And we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna get sailing away because they've done there are some naughty people, as always naughty people. I'm gonna tell you folks, the virtual muster is gonna go away if we all don't cooperate. We gotta work together, folks. Virtual muster. Everybody, just do it right when you get on board. All right, see ya. Folks, it's sail away time. We are at the Sunset Bar. Everyone's getting their drink on. Colleen is right down here, enjoying the sun. Great afternoon. We took care of a bunch of stuff with the concierge. Everybody's super nice on Celebrity, so we were able to get everything taken care of. And now we're just gonna sit back and relax and enjoy this wonderful view. We're gonna take you along with us, and then tonight, it's going to be sushi. We're going to do raw on 5, keeping the tradition of the sushi alive. So keep it right there. Now it's time for the sail away. So I'm going to stop talking and get looking. think of Sail Away?
Well, Sail Away felt a little rushed. I think we were trying to like clear up the cabana reservation, and all of a sudden we look and we see the boat moving. Ship. So we ran up, we got to the Sunset Bar. It was madhouse packed. We actually got like a pretty good spot and caught us as we were kind of backing up out of the marina.
The
port.
Port Everglades.
Out of the port. And then off we went. So it was nice. It was nice. It was hot. It was a little bit crazy. So we're inside now at the Martini Bar. We're not getting martinis. We're actually just getting some waters and just gonna relax and cool off.
We're getting fancy water.
Fancy waters, yes.
So finally cooling down. We got ourselves some fancy water. There we go, some Pellegrino. Not sponsored, by the way, but included in the drink package. And we actually just went through the Martini Bar list, so we'll show you that right now.
Let's start to get the next one ready.
Cool. Definitely edible.
I think that's the last page.
A few pages of that. Lots of really cool martinis here. Every night behind me there is a show at the Martini Bar that lights up. Let me see if I can put that in focus. There you go. I'm out of focus. Now I'm back in focus. And that's like twice, I guess at 8 and 10, so hopefully you can check that out. Looks like they're setting up for some live music right now. But when we get off the ship, we'll talk a little bit about, we actually upgraded our drink package. So there is, with many of these celebrity fares nowadays, there is a classic package that's included. That gets you drinks up to $10. But it leaves out some stuff like bottled water, specialty coffees, energy drinks, stuff like that. And then there's the premium package that you can get that includes drinks up to $17 and includes things like the fancy Pellegrino I just showed you, Colleen sipping on some Avion, and includes drinks again up to $17. So I think that's going to be worth it this week, but we'll find out and tell you when we get back home. But anyways, right now we're just cooling down. As I mentioned before, we got Raw on 5 tonight. Probably gonna be a little bit of an early evening for us, but we're just gonna relax and enjoy the beautiful celebrity apex. Time is it?
It's Martini time.
What type of martini you get?
I don't know. I feel like an old fashioned, maybe.
It's not a martini.
I know.
I think you have to order.
Maybe a Cosmo then.
Cosmo. Classic Cosmo.
Or maybe I'll look at the menu. Alright, this is a shout out to Travel Spree. We're hoping we get to actually maybe meet you on the Icon, but so my name is Colleen, and this is my second drink of the cruise.
Alright. Shout out again to Travel Spree. My name's Nate, and this is my second drink of the cruise.
Navigators, we freshened up a little bit, and as Nate mentioned, we're heading to Raw on 5. So instead of showing a lot of video in this particular video, stay tuned to a new segment called Navigate the Plate. So this is where we're going to go more in depth with Raw on 5 and other specialty restaurants to help you determine if this is something that you want to do on your next cruise.
Think about sushi tonight.
Sushi was great.
Yeah. Do you like our new friends?
Yes, they were so nice.
You just want to walk around now?
Yeah.
All right, we're just going to walk around.
Okay.
So anyways, Navigators, thank you for tuning in. Great first day on Celebrity Cruise Line. Really enjoyed it. But I think that's it for us tonight. So you got to see a little bit of the onboarding process, which was great. A little bit of our lunch and all that stuff, and again, like, we're completely lost. This is like this is a new cruise ship for us, so like, give us a break, right? But we really appreciate you watching. Colleen, anything you want to say?
Navigate your world.
Navigate your world.